What's up, chains and carishes and quads and stuff? So we're gonna have a train here in Seattle, and I'll show you guys the signal. There's the signal, and there's the siding one. It's hard for you guys to see. The siding one is hard. The mainline one is not. And there's the crossing. Oh, there's a crossing gate right up there. See how big those are? I know. Can't believe it can go all the way up there. Oh, yeah. There is the crossing gate right up there, and the train is gonna come. And then it'll probably come anytime soon, and I'll see you in the next video when the train comes. So bye.